Now you can see what I'm taking pictures of, and there I am, trying to stay out of your guys' way. Look at him. He's one of our older operators. He's been with us for a while, and he helps us out a lot. He's really good at what he does. Just trying to stay out of his way, you know. There's so many cars in this parking lot also I'm trying to stay away from. I don't want to get hit. All right, let me go get my camera.
Do you want any certain shots?
No.
Huh?
Just whatever you guys are doing is great. I can take this. Yeah, this is good.
Okay. I don't make it for you.
There we go. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, so we just got our camera back. This is what I'm videoing. Oh, wow. This is what I'm videoing you guys on. And this is the Insta360 Ace Pro. We have 4 of these, and then we have one. This is the Panasonic Lumix G100D. Kind of confusing, but it's a great camera. It's great in low light and like these snowy. There's a van we gotta wait for. Oh, thank you. I love when people are nice. A lot of times people suck, but they're nice. Oh, now we have to trek across the fucking tundra again. That's alright. Alright. So we're gonna look at this video that we got. I attached a camera to the front handle of one of our skid steers that are out here, and we're gonna see if we got some good footage, because it would suck to be out here all day taking videos of the same thing, and then I get in post and they're all terrible. So let's see. Looks like we got, okay, a good 11-minute video this time. Last time it cut off at 45 seconds, and I'm not sure why. Can you see that? It's looking really good. Oh, there's a family, that's okay. This is great. Okay, so now I think we're gonna call the boss, see what's going on. I feel like I've been walking forever, and I'm still like halfway there, and you know, that's okay. Get my steps in. I've never taken a video of myself like this and like talked to you guys. I'm usually just behind the computer. I don't know what to say. What do you guys want to hear? Snow came a few hours late. Yeah, that set us back, but we have all of our guys in, and we're so happy to have them working and having them, just getting them busy. We've had a really terrible winter. Here he is. We're just gonna go take some pictures. All right, so he's gonna come up this pass. There he is. That was a gorgeous shot. I know it. Now he's coming back. Great. So I think I'm gonna stay here a minute. Set you guys up next to me. It's good to see you. Oh, nice. His wing is turned. Look at that. He's coming this way. I thought he was gonna get me. He was just messing around. Ah.